Hey Ronnie, Ronnie, I'm feeling kinda hungry, but then you say you can order, but you can't eat it. Wait, that's so unfair.
I used some white wine to the mushrooms. Butter and basil. Olive oil. You can remove the skin from salmon. I like the salmon skin, so I just keep it. Basil butter. Mushrooms. Close the foil. And bake it. I use toaster oven. It smells so good. This was actually my brunch. It's raining outside today. It's rainy season in Japan now. I don't feel like going anywhere. Just playing video game and Amazon Prime. Let's taste it though. Easy and yummy. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.